Hello students, welcome to e-classes of Deepol School. I am Miss Sipra and today I am going to discussing the chapter number 2, Parts of a Computer of Standard 1, Decoding Computer Science book. So kindly open your book page number 13 students. So here we can see parts of a computer. So you can see in that previous chapter what is a machine, what is computer, and after that we will learn the different parts of the computer and understood the basic function of each part. Okay students, so there are different parts in our body. Each part has its own functions. So for example, if we want to take the example of the eyes, we can see with our eyes, and hear with our ears, and smell with our nose, eat with our mouth, think with our brain, and awareness. So these are the different parts that are helping us in different function. Okay students, so like that our computer have different parts and the function of different parts is different. Okay students, so if you identify here, this you can see this is a body. So here this one is head, and this one is knee, and this one is foot, and this one is what, hand, and this one is chest. Okay, so these are the different parts and these different parts have own functions. Okay, so just as our body has many parts, a computer also has many parts. All these parts together to make a computer. So you can see a picture of a computer here. So in that picture you can recognize that this one is a monitor, this one is a CPU box, and this one is a speaker, and this one is a keyboard, and that one is a mouse, just like looks like a mouse. Okay students, so a computer have different parts, that is first one is monitor, second one is CPU box, and third one is keyboard, and fourth one is speaker, and fifth one is mouse. Okay students, so each part of a computer does a special work. So let's see. If we talk about the monitor, you can see this is the picture of a monitor here. Okay, yes, this one is a monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. How a monitor looks like students? A TV screen. It has screen to show everything that we do not do on a computer. So what we can do on a computer, these all things are shown in your screen, and this screen is known as monitor. It is used to watch movies, pictures on a computer. Okay students, so what are the uses of monitor? We can watch any movie and pictures on the computer by the help of the monitor. Okay students, then the next one is CPU box. CPU box is the box which contains the CPU. It is also called the cabinet. So you can see this one is the CPU box. So CPU box is contain the CPU. What is the CPU's full form? CPU means central processing unit. Okay, so this is the system cabinet of the computer. So we can see that this one is the system cabinet of a computer. Then if we talk about the function of the CPU, the main function of the CPU is the brain of the computer. It helps the computer to do different things easily and quickly. So what are the uses of the CPU in the computer? So the computer do different things easily and quickly by the help of its brain, which is known as CPU. Okay, the CPU box also has an off and on bottom. So where we can start the CPU or start the computer and shut down the computer. So here you can see this one is a picture of the CPU, and this one is the on off button. Okay students, so next you can see this one is the keyboard. So this is the next part of a computer. So a keyboard, the keyboard has many buttons. So you can see in the picture this keyboard have many buttons with letters. You can see here these are the letters and these are the numbers and these are the special keys. Okay, so these are the functions key, first rows key, and the second rows keys are the something different characters key or special keys. Okay, so to write on the computer we press keys on the keyboard. This is called typing. Okay students, so what you can want to type, you can type here and the computer screen shows the results. Okay, so a keyboard is an input devices. Okay students, so the next one is mouse. The mouse of a computer looks like a real mouse. Okay students, so this one you can see this one is the real mouse. Okay, the mouse of a computer look like a real mouse. Okay, so it is just like a mouse. You can see this one is the picture of the mouse of a computer. So you can compare this one and this one. Okay, so a mouse have different structure. First one is or first bottom is first bottom is left click. Here this left click bottom, this is the left click button and this is the right click button and this one is a scroll button. Okay students, so the pointing devices or the actually mouse function is to point the things. Okay, so it is 2 or 3 buttons. So first one is left click, then the next one is right click and the last one is scroll. So it helps us to point and select letters or items on the monitor screen. Okay, so when we move the mouse, the pointer on the screen also moves. And nowadays there are two types of computer mouse, one with wear and another with other wireless. So this you can see this one is wireless and this one is with wear, and this one we have to connect with the computer cabinet. Okay, so there are other computers devices that can be attached to a computer such as speakers and printers, etc. So let us learn about these devices. So first one is printer. The printer is used to print something on the paper. Some printers print in black and some printer print in colors. Okay, so these one those who are print in colors are known as color printer. Okay, and others are known as black and white printers. Printers are output devices and the printer or printed paper that comes out of a printer is called printout. So this one is the printout. Okay, so the next one is speaker. Speakers are used to listen to the sounds from a computer. So you can see this one is a speaker. Okay, without them you will not be able to listen to the songs, music on the computer. So speaker are also output devices students. So these are helps us to listen the song, sound, etc. Okay, so the next one is the headphones. So you can see this one is the headphone. This is a picture of a headphone, and headphones are actually helps us to hear the sounds but directly into our ears. Okay, so this one by this one or the by the speakers your whole room is full of sounds, but here with the help of headphones only you can hear the sound. Okay, so the printer, speaker and the headphones are connected to CPU box with the cables. So these days microphones come with the headphones and whole unit is called headset. So what is headset student? So the microphone come with the total or the whole unit with headphones is known as headset. So we can see now some memory bytes. So what we are study in that particular video, students. Like our body, computer have different parts, so each part has different or particular job to makes the computer work. Important parts of computer include monitor, cabinet, keyboard, mouse. And a monitor is the screen on which we can watch movies and pictures. The CPU box contains the CPU. The CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, and it is also known as the brain of the computer. Okay, so a keyboard is used to type text on the computer. A mouse is used to point out or point at different things on the monitor and help us to recognize things. Okay, so these are the total revision of the first class of the parts of a computer, chapter 2. So you have to do the assessment sheet with your own, but after your answer is sending in the group by your own on doing tasks, so then I will sending the answer copy. Okay, so please do your tasks regularly, students, and see you in the next class. Till then, tata and bye bye. Thank you.